House tour time. You've been asking for a house tour of our place that we stay in St. George. Are you ready for it?
Yes.
So here is your job, your number one job here. Obviously, check out our house, right? Your number one job though, number two job on top of that is, I need you to count how many people you see staying in this space. That's your job.
And
count.
how many rooms there are, or no, how many, you have to count how many people there are.
Yes.
And how many beds you can see.
There you go. And then at the very end, we want your comments below letting us know how many people, how many beds. Ready? Let's do this. We're gonna do this. Actually, here's the other thing that we're going to do. It's gonna get dark here. We're not gonna edit this video. We're not gonna edit this video at all. Should we even put music to it? No music. This is a no music, no edit video, so whatever happens, yeah, okay, let's do this. Things, you guys know that we edit stuff out all the time and edit stuff like, anyway. So whatever happens, happens. Here we go. Ringing the doorbell to the manor, how do you say it, manure? Manure?
I don't think so.
We're here for a house tour.
Okay.
Oh, here we go. Into the front door. The first thing we see is 7 billion pairs of shoes. I'm gonna add to it 7 billion and 2 pairs of shoes. And this right here is where we put our sunglasses.
Really? Since
right?
when?
Since I always do that. You wanna close the door so we're not let flies in the house? Okay. Swim bags, we got all the swim bags here. Swimming pool key, got the shark. Yeah, that's enough, huh, Gigo? What else is in there? Gigo, what else is in there? You don't know? You don't care? No? Cars. Okay. We'll figure out what's happening here in a minute. Let's go left. Ooh, closet. Let's see what's in the closet. What's in this closet? This is the closet. It has all the fun stuff in it.
We've got chairs. Why haven't we used the
chairs? And because it's, I don't know. We've got rackets.
I could have like
We've
added
got
to the table.
a duster. Look at this duster. And then,
what is this?
why is there a bra hanging there?
I don't know.
Okay, so we got a bra.
There's shoes.
What else?
Extension cords.
Yeah, this is no fun. Let's get out of here.
Yeah.
So that's closet. Closet number 1. There's a bra in it. Okay, so this room right here, this is actually the living room.
Literally.
This is actually, just before we started here, this was pretty messy, right? We made Danielle clean it up. So yeah. This is Danielle's bed. So you counting? Bed number 1. I'm not gonna give the rest to you, but Danielle hates it when I do this.
Nope, guess what? I put the side that doesn't really change on today. The other side is underneath.
Sweet. So we've got a video uploading over here, right there. And we've got a bunch of bedding and stuff over here. Look at this. You are worth it. You are worth it. Okay. What else? What's next?
Look.
Danielle, tell us what's next.
My hair matches.
Oh wow, this is beautiful. Who is this? What does that say right there?
That's my signature.
Oh.
This is
your signature?
Me. Yeah.
So if you were to sign a check, that's what it would look like?
Yep.
Oh, no forgery out there. Okay, move on to the next place. This is something of pure nastiness. We've got an overflowing garbage can. So you're supposed to put stuff in the top right there.
I think Spike died.
Yep, okay. Ooh, and a clean table. We've got a clean table. Food.
I will hide because it's not clean in here.
What? Hide? No, this is good. We got, there's a crack in the ceiling. There is a crack in the ceiling.
Whoa.
The place is gonna fall over on us. And we have ET right here. Yeah, you can see we've been cooking. Yeah, food. Are you guys counting the people? Are you counting the people?
No.
There's lots of people in here. Let's give you an opportunity. Counting the people. There's lots of them in here.
The only food I've been eating is
We're going
bagels.
to have lunch here soon, so get your hand out of there.
No!
Start gnawing it off.
Okay, what's next? Danielle, what's next? Take us to the next room.
I don't know, but the next room is supposed to.
All right, here we go. Actually, want to see the cupboard that Danielle can't know about? This is the treats cupboard. Look at this. They don't know about it. Don't tell them.
And this might be the loudest dishwasher in the world.
Yes, listen to this dishwasher. You guys have a loud dishwasher like this? Listen to that thing.
Don't bring the camera here.
Why?
He's being busted for eating candy.
Who is?
E.T.'s being busted for eating candy.
E.T. got busted. What's happening in here? Gigo, what's happening? You are eating stuff on the carpet too. Give me that. Throw that away, please. All right.
So now you have
Nothing in there. Nothing in there. What's happening in here? Okay, here's Statler's cards, guys. Don't tell the rest of the people.
I'm losing.
What are we playing?
Baby play scum.
21?
How do you play scum?
You're out?
No,
That's
she
not
wins.
21. That's 6.
She wins. She's king.
Whoa, Amber won. You guys counting? Look, how many people are in here? Are you counting? Are you counting? There's your opportunity. Count them up. Following Danielle, but I'm gonna take a diversion. I'm going out back. So this is out back. And this is our little strip of shade right here. See how small this shade is right here? Tiny strip of shade. And obviously, speaking of strip, this is where everyone throws their clothes after they get out of the pool. So we have shorts and tank tops and rad swimsuits everywhere out here. And the biggest reason for this is?
Swimming?
No, this is where they dry.
Oh, right. I thought you were like, oh, yeah. Well, this is where they dry.
Yeah, so this is a strip of sun right here that's really, really hot. So if you step on that, you burn your feet. Ah! And then here's the grass. We got a little strip of grass back here. Strip of grass back here.
Dead rosebush.
Dead rose bush. Okay, let's go back in. More swimsuits. Look at this. More. More swimsuits. Oh, more people. Count. Oh, more people. There's more people back there. Are you counting? Okay, let's go back in here. This is the mom and dad's quarters. I have a trick that I want to show.
What?
Ready for it?
Oh, the mirror trick?
Yes. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna set it up right here on the bed. By the way, this is the bed. This is the mom and dad's bed. We have a trick on the mirror I want to show you. Look at this mirror. But we're gonna show you in a second. This is the bathroom. Hey, it's a bathroom. What do you expect? Oh, brightness.
It's a nice bathroom.
It's a pretty nice bathroom,
Except
right?
this is my worst pet peeve. Ready?
What?
This one is supposed to be the light, but it's not.
It's the fan. Turn on the light. I can't see it start.
It's supposed to be the fan, the light, not the fan.
Oh, more people. You guys want to do the trick on the mirror? You want to do the trick on the mirror?
Oh, I'll do it.
No, I will do it. Let me do it first. I gotta do it first.
No, Lizzie.
My turn first. Here, Danielle, you get the camera.
Ow!
Here we go. Ready? Here it goes. This is the magic trick. You ready?
Yes.
Ready? Everybody ready? Gigo?
Yes.
Gigo's never seen this before. Have you?
Mhm.
Ready? Here we go. First off, first things first, I need to take my leg and I need to lift it up. Ready?
Your other leg is showing. Your other leg is showing.
Where?
When you lift your leg up, your other leg was showing. There.
It's still showing.
Shush you!
You gotta make your leg go down more. Okay.
Ready, Gigo? Mm-hmm. Oh, boy, Gigo! Gigo, Migo! Gigo, Migo! Gigo! Ready? I'm gonna sit down. Bye, Gigo! Somebody else's turn.
My turn.
Oh man, we gotta keep moving though.
Okay, we gotta keep moving. One more person. Okay, Lizzie, ready, set, go. Leg up. Ah, it's magic, Gigo! It's magic, Gigo! Oh, she fell over. Oh, and she has her legs back. Okay, and oh, one more bed, guys. Are you counting? Are you counting? What are you standing around for? Hold on, what are you doing?
What is that?
Open, Danielle.
No, I don't want to keep it right back to the.
Hey, I want to catch it.
Okay.
Hold on.
Oh, now you do?
Hold on.
Just put it around.
Here. We gotta do it this way. Here, Danielle. See, this is the part where we would probably edit this out, but let's just go ahead and leave it in. Here.
Oh.
This is no editing, by the way.
Ready?
No, I'm not. She gotta get the whole thing.
Yeah, and we gotta get away from the light. Let's get away from the light.
Okay, take one. Okay, here we go. Ready? Go over there. You gotta go up.
Excuse me, sorry. I gotta stand right here. Hold up.
Here we go. You ready?
Okay, I gotta stand right here.
Yeah!
Oh! That was.
Okay, so we're back in this room.
How many people?
Children's room.
Counting. There's more people in and out. ET is right there still. Okay, so just for bonus points, you guys, these count as beds. So remember,
The chair.
you're counting people and beds. What? Chairs don't?
No, chairs don't count because no one will sleep on a chair.
Another bathroom.
And another closet.
Sweet. Oh, you want to see what's in the other closet?
No bras this time.
No bras. Maybe there's a bra in there somewhere.
Maybe.
What's this thing?
A toilet plunger. I don't want it. Don't give it to me.
Okay. Let's see what else. What else? What else?
Blankets.
That's boring. Let's close it. It's boring. Closet number 2 is boring. More people. There's more people in here. Okay. This is bedroom number, I don't know.
And then you can
2?
do the trick on all of them.
Yes, let's see it. Danielle hasn't done it yet. Woo! That's so awesome. I love it. It's the best. Okay, so that's closet number 3.
Thanks.
This is boring. This is a boring closet.
There's a hamper.
Let's get out of here. This is too. Look at emoji pillow. So do you guys say hamper, or do you say laundry basket, or do you say something else? I said hamper growing up, but now I say laundry basket. And then as soon as somebody said hamper, I'm like, whoa, I remember that word. You remember that word? Okay, Danielle.
Yes.
Keep it going. Oh, this has a door ding dong. Ready? A donger. Ready? Donger.
There's a nice plate right here.
What?
There's a nice plate.
Oh, yeah, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful, I don't know what that is, plate. You guys, I hope you're not bored with this house tour. This is, there's no editing, no music. This is lavender, I think, right?
Yeah, it's fake though, isn't it?
Oh, it's not? Smell it. It's real. See?
Yeah. Hey, look.
I have my Tannerites shirt on.
Oh, I don't want it.
Okay, let's go. Room number 3. Take us to room number 3.
This is room number 4, isn't it?
Oh, here's the bathroom first.
Oh, there's Kiko.
There's another bathroom. And yes, there it is. It's a nice bathroom.
This one's nicer.
Oh, here's another. Oh, there's another bed, guys. Are you counting? Are you counting? That's pretty cool. We got Harry Potter book over here. Somebody's been reading. And yep, there's another bed. As you can tell, this is probably where all the little girls sleep. This is where little girls sleep. Okay. Oh, we got another mirror trick. Woo! Ooh, that one's weird. You're supposed to go. Oh, you're gonna get your feet smashed.
Oh, your toe!
Okay, this is where you guys have been playing, right? Games?
Yes.
This is the game closet, Savannah, is that correct?
Nope.
Got a tiger in here, is that a lion?
They've been
Anything else better in here to look at? This is just hangers and stuff. This is no fun. Hey, where'd the lion go? Oh, Figo Migo had it. Oh. Okay, let's go.
Daddy, I need to show you.
What? I love it.
And that.
I love it.
Look, this matches her necklace.
Oh, what is its name?
This matches, I don't know, it's just the queen dragon in Lego Elf.
Okay, let's go into the next room. Is there another room?
I can jump.
No? What do we do now?
I don't know.
Let's go back out front.
Okay.
I think that's it for the...
garage.
Oh, the garage. Forgot about the garage, guys. This is good. In fact, we're gonna go... What?
Like cleaner.
So this is the garage. Yeah, all type garage stuff. Got the red Suburban in here. Got the washer going right now. You can't open the washer when it's going?
No.
What about the dryer? Oh, we need to start the dryer. It's wet. We gotta start it.
I don't know how to start.
Fishing poles. Yep, fishing. And this is the fun part over here. Here we go. This is where all the pool stuff is. So we come in here and we've got all these noodles and all this fun stuff that we can play with at the pool. And if you want to lounge around in the garage, you can. So that right there, my friends, is our house tour of the Manor. The Dixie Manor is what this is called. Manor? Manor? How do you say that?
Manor.
I gotta sneeze.
Look at this.
Oh boy.
Bless you.
Okay, again, non-edited video. Tell us what you guys think. Anything else, Danielle?
You are worth it.
We love you guys. Thank you so much for everything that you do for us. We hope you like the new style that's happening here on the Tannerites channel. All the fun stuff that's happening. In fact, we might put some of this on the Yowie channel as well. I don't know. We have 2 channels, remember that, guys. The Yowie vlogs and the Tannerites here. So we love you guys, and as always, you are worth it. Bye. You're gonna go behind the garage door. Bye.
And I eating cookies. Goodbye.